Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 19th of April. First of all, national news. Madhya Pradesh board to announce 10th 12th result 2022 by April end, says MPBSC controller. Former KPMG executive Satya Ishwaran is new Wipro India chief. Sugar exports rose 291% between 2013 to 14 and 2021 to 22 government. As many as 2,183 new COVID cases have been recorded pan India over the past 24 hours, an 89.8% jump from yesterday's case count of 1,150 cases. High Court asked Maharashtra government to list steps taken to prevent child marriages. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation from the Red Fort on the 400th Prakash Parv of Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur on April 21, the Culture Ministry said on Monday. World needs India to pursue its green agenda, UN climate representative. Despite economic resilience, India is facing geopolitical challenges, RBI report. Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey appointed new army chief. And now some international news. Pakistan is cutting electricity to homes, industries. It can't afford fuel. British PM Boris Johnson is facing new allegations on Monday around Partygate claims ahead of India visit. Buy me a fighter jet. Ukraine launch crowdfunding campaign to combat Russia's offensive. And now some sports news. The IPL match between Delhi Capitals and Punjab Kings on Wednesday will go on as a scheduled. Michelle Marsh has tested negative in his mandatory RT-PCR test. IPL 2022 want to be part of World Cup desperately, Dinesh Karthik told to Virat Kohli. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday condoled to the death of Deen Dayalan Vishwa, one of the top Tamil Nadu table tennis player. Let's have a look on weather. The weather on 19th April in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 34 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 27 degrees Celsius. And that's all for today. Thank you to all of you.